In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit HTML on Wix website. To get started, open your Wix site editor so you are on the main canvas workspace for your website. This is the area where you can visually build and arrange your page content. Once you are inside the editor, look to the left side of the screen for the vertical toolbar. From there, click on Add Elements. This is where Wix keeps the building blocks you can place onto your page, including text, images, shapes, and code-based elements. After the Add Elements panel opens, find the Embed Code category in the list. Click into that section, and then choose the option called Embed HTML. This tool lets you place custom HTML directly onto your Wix page inside a dedicated container. When you select it, you will see a blank gray HTML box appear. Drag that box onto the section of the page where you want your HTML content to display. Try to place it in the right general location from the start, because that will make the next adjustments easier. Once the HTML box is on your page, click on the component itself to select it. You should then see an option labeled Enter Code. Click that and a code entry window will open. In that text area, paste your custom HTML tags or code block exactly as needed. This is the part where your embedded content is added, so make sure your code is complete and properly formatted before moving forward. When you are finished, click Update to apply the code to the element. Next, take a moment to adjust the size of the HTML container. Click and drag the outer corner handles of the frame so the box better matches the boundaries of your custom HTML content. This helps your embedded design display more cleanly and gives you better control over how it fits into the rest of your page layout. If the content looks too cramped or too small, resizing the container usually helps. When everything looks right, go to the top right corner of the editor and click the blue Publish button. Publishing makes your changes live, so your custom HTML snippet will be available on the live version of your Wix website. This is the final step that takes your embedded code from the editor into the published site. That covers everything you need to know.